Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I am so glad you're joining me here for yoga today. The holidays are upon us, and with that brings extra stress. Whether you have pressure for shopping for others or supporting your overall well-being during the holiday season, I thought I would offer this special meditation that's simple and easy to do no matter where you are in any circumstance to calm your nerves, relax your body and mind, and bring you into the holiday season peacefully. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to be doing a meditation. It's called a black and white breathing meditation. First, we'll start to tune into our body and mind and see how we're feeling at this moment. And then we'll go to this breathwork meditation together. So sit in a comfortable seat, relax your hands in your lap or on your knees. Gently close the eyes. And start to bring awareness to your breath, entering and leaving your nose. And just taking a moment to notice how your body feels today, where your mind is at. And with no judgment, just bringing awareness to how you are showing up on your mat today. And start to lengthen the inhale and the exhale. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of your heartbeat, and just dropping into this space at this moment. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. And tuck your chin just slightly, lengthening through the back of the neck. And just relaxing the breath, again noticing the inhale and the exhale. And if it's comfortable, breathing through the nose. We're going to bring our awareness more on the exhale for a moment. Just noticing if there's any tension in the body or the mind, maybe discomfort. And visualizing that as dark smoke. And as we exhale, we gather that dark smoke and release it out into the universe. So just noticing any discomfort, stress, or tension in the body or the mind. And on an exhale, letting go of any disease in the form of dark smoke, leaving the body. Continuing to focus on the exhale for a few more moments as we release any tension in the body or the mind. Allowing the smoke to dissipate in front of us, harming no one. Just a few more breaths like this on your own, really letting go of any tension within the body or the mind. And with the next few breaths, just releasing any residual tension. And now that our body and mind are free from stress anxiety, discomfort. We're going to start to invite the inhale into our body in the form of pure white light. So on an inhale, breathing in that pure white light into the body and the mind. And on the exhale, just releasing any residual tension. Inhaling that pure, cool, white light. Exhaling softly. Inhale, fill every cell of your being with that pure, radiant light. We'll work like this for a few more breaths, just filling up the body and the mind with this high vibrational light. And begin to expand the light from your body just outside on the edge of your skin, radiating this pure white light from your body. Feeling very light, relaxed, and just absorbing this beautiful energy that you created. And begin to relax your concentration, softening the breath, and just taking a moment to observe how you feel in the body and the mind. And just notice any differences between the beginning of this practice and now. We'll bring our hands to heart center in a prayer-like pose. Bow the mind to the heart and just thank yourself for providing this moment to soften, relax, and nourish. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mutha, and if you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you would like to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please join me by checking out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.